Hello, and welcome to the how-to video for the JBL Mark II series. In this video, we'll walk you through the setup process of the JBL 1300 Mark II. And while we're at it, we'll show you some nifty tips and tricks too. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, you'll find the soundbar with detachable speakers and the subwoofer. The JBL Bar 1300 Mark II is a powerful 11.1.4 channel sound system. There's also a quick start guide, remote control, 2 power cords, HDMI cable, wall mounting kit, and side caps for the soundbar, as well as for the detachable speakers. Place the soundbar on a flat and stable surface. Place the subwoofer on the ground, 1 to 6 meters away from the soundbar, and at least 10 centimeters away from the wall. To get even more out of your soundbar, you can place the detachable speakers behind you for a surround sound experience. Did you know they have up to 10 hours of playtime and can be easily charged via USB-C? Or simply attach them back to the soundbar and charge them overnight. The JBL Bar 1300 Mark II also comes with a wall mounting kit. See your owner's manual for detailed installation instructions. Time to set up your soundbar. You can connect your JBL Bar 1300 Mark II to your television with an HDMI cable to the ARC or eARC port, or you can use an optical cable. To set up your soundbar, select Bluetooth. Use the source button on the soundbar or the Bluetooth button on the remote control. On your device, go to Bluetooth settings and select JBL Bar 1300 Mark II. To unleash the full potential of your product, finish setting up with the JBL One app. You can download the JBL One app via the QR code in the Quick Start Guide. Launch the JBL One app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete Wi-Fi setup. This ensures your product always stays up to date with the latest features. The LED indicator will turn solid white when Wi-Fi is connected. Next, you can calibrate your JBL Bar 1300 Mark II to get the best 3D sound experience. After calibration, your soundbar will be optimized for your specific room environment. Follow the on-screen instructions, and once finished, you can feel the power. Now we'll walk you through all the options on your remote control. On the left, you see the volume controls and the sound effect buttons. On the right, you have the source selection buttons, moment button for quick access to your favorite playlist, and the calibration button. To see all the ways you can personalize your experience, open the app and tap on your product. You can easily tune the sound to your taste at any time by adjusting the equalizer settings. There are 7 bands you can fine-tune to get the sound just right for your ears. You can also personalize your listening experience with the moment button. Relax with 4 ambient nature sounds, or select your favorite content from any built-in music service. Now your chosen content is ready to play anytime. Just press the moment button, sit back, and unwind. You can enable night listening mode to enjoy movies late at night without disturbing others. The soundbar and subwoofer are muted, while the surround speakers are placed near you, delivering immersive audio at a lower, more considerate volume. Broadcasting allows you to take your TV audio into another room using the detachable speakers. You can listen with a single speaker or pair them together for stereo sound. You can stream any content from any music service and any device through Wi-Fi and support several streaming services directly from the app. With Wi-Fi streaming, your music streaming will never be interrupted. Apple users can use AirPlay to stream, and Android users can use Google Cast. For Google Cast, you have to first enable the feature from the product control page. For music streaming with a spatial audio effect, the JBL Bar 1300 Mark II supports Dolby Atmos through Apple Music, Amazon Music, and Tidal. Once you begin streaming, you'll see the Dolby Atmos badge. This means your soundbar is now playing music with a spatial audio effect. You can stream in high-res or CD quality using Apple Music, Spotify, Amazon Music, Tidal, or Qobuz. How you stream is entirely up to you. Use your favorite music app, or use the JBL One app for quick and convenient access. Make your own party with the detachable speakers. Pair one of the detachable wireless speakers with your Bluetooth device and it becomes a powerful portable speaker. You can always add more compatible JBL or Harman Kardon speakers with AuraCast.